Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you are watching this, chances you have run into the frustrating Cash App not available in your region error. Don't worry, we have got you covered. In today's video, we will walk you through how to fix this issue so you can get back to using Cash App hassle-free. So, why isn't Cash App available in your region? There's a few reasons in this could be happen. It could be due to government regulation, lack of support from local bank, or even Cash App's own decision to focus on certain region. Unfortunately, sometimes these things are out of our control. But don't worry, there are ways to fix it. Let's dive into the method that can help you fix this issue and get Cash App working again. First up, try using a VPN. A VPN or virtual private network can mask your real location and make it look like you are in the country where Cash App is available. Here's how you can do it. Download and install a reliable VPN app. Choose a server location in a country where Cash App is supported, like the United States. Once connected, open Cash App and it should now think you are in supported region. If VPN method doesn't work, the next thing you can try is simply updating the app. Here's how check the updates. Open your Cash App store, search for Cash App and see if an update is available or not. If an update is available, install it. After updating, open Cash App again and see if the issue is fixed. Hopefully, one of these methods help you fix the Cash App not available in your region error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.